everyone, I hope everyone is doing fine. So today I invited my second guest. Also she's my best friend. So let's do gossiping with her. Come on. So guys, please welcome to my friend and my guest also, Irish from Philippines. Hi baby, welcome to my channel. How are you?
All good.
Just
So
continue.
this gossiping all about Philippines. I want you to tell my audience about the Philippines famous food, the places, why we should visit Philippines, and why the Philippines are different than others.
Okay, so first of all, Philippines is different from other countries or like because Filipinos are known for their hospitality and also in the Philippines there are lots of tourist places you want to go. It's like very because Philippines is composed of islands. So there are lots of islands in the Philippines, falls as well, many
Can you name it? Some of
activities. So there is one that is very famous around the world, which is the Boracay Island. It's Boracay. It's very known anywhere in the world. So there are lots of tourists comes there. Also, lots of Indians come there. And this Boracay Island is very beautiful island. It comes in white sand. And also there are lots of activities. Also lots of boys. And then, if you're gonna visit the Philippines, we have this specialty where the Filipinos is known for the adobo. That one is the very famous
Chicken
one.
adobo?
Chicken
Ah,
adobo.
it's my
You tried
favorite
that one
food.
before,
So
right?
good, yeah.
And also we have this also caldereta or I guess menudo. And then also in the Philippines, when the
Okay, baby, so which festival we are celebrating most in Philippines?
in my town, we celebrate this Ati-Atihan festival, which is like praising our Santo Niño. It's like it's like our God. It's not that God, but it's just like part of our culture, like praising Him. Like in Ati-Atihan, there's a street dancing. Like we celebrate this one like for almost 1 week. So actually, it's celebrated between January 19th to 25th, that's it. So the Ati-Atihan celebration is like dancing in the street, more drums, more fun, and then you can also drink in the streets while dancing. We're holding some beer in cans, and then you can dance whole day along. It's a very enjoyable and decent.
Like we are celebrating Diwali in India.
Yeah, Diwali. But it's still different because it's more enjoyable. You can drink a lot. You can go home drunk.
I should come there
Please.
to celebrate you, especially this. So I want to ask you, like Christmas is already coming. What's your plan on Christmas?
As of now, I don't have any plans yet for Christmas because it feels like celebrating Christmas far away from your family is different, and the Christmas in the Philippines is much different than here. And for now, I don't have any plans yet. Maybe soon, this is when we're gonna message me. Let's have a Christmas dinner outside, and that's it. But when it comes to Christmas, I feel so emotional because I'm too much far away from my family, and I miss celebrating Christmas with them.
So what do you do on Christmas Day in Philippines?
So on Christmas Day, it's just like we exchange gifts. Like we give gifts to my mother, father, and also my father give gifts to me. But as of now, they will not give me. I will be the one who will give them.
Oh yeah.
And also to my goddaughters or godsons, I will be the one who will give them. And then also there's like a small celebration, eating outside or going outside with family. That's it.
Oh, that's great. Okay. What else should I ask you? How do you feel about India or Indian people? As we have many Indian friends.
Oh, I love Indian people.
Okay, I know why. I know the reason. But what do you like most in Indian people?
I like most in the Indian people is their what do you call that one? Their attitude towards someone. Like you can see that being an Indian and a Filipino, it's only the same actually, but it's just like
You can say loyalty? No?
loyalty. When it comes to loyalty, Indians.
Oh yeah. See guys, we are loyal. Okay.
Hi.
Thank you, Irish. Thank you for your time. As we have a very short period and you have to leave also, so we will talk about it later. Wait for surprise. She's going to do something. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your time, everyone. As you know a little bit about Philippines now, they are very sweet, they are very kind, very polite, very free of mind. I love them. I have my friends from Philippines. I have 4 of them. They all are very good. I just love them. And I will go Philippines once. Thank you.